Hello all. In this video, we are going to see the polymorphism concept called method overloading and method overriding. But the changes is the method overriding. I am going to just make a video in the when I am going to make a video for inheritance. I will going to demonstrate the method overriding. Here I defined one class called calculator. Inside the calculator, I am going to start with a simple method called add. Always as a beginner practice with a simple uh, concept in Java to understand the design structure of the Java. Then you can apply your own tough logic. Here I am going to add two numbers. When the A is equal to 4, comma B is equal to 6. I am going to return A plus B. So automatically it will going to add. Then I am going to use the same add method but in the different way, using the different data type, and I pass one more parameter into my add in this, but I am not pass the B parameter there because to differentiate the method overloading concept here I am using it 1.0f to define everything in Java as a float. We need to use f, then return A plus B. Next thing is I am going to use double. Same add I am going to use double A comma double B, return A plus B. Here I am going to pass both the parameters. Here you see that three method names are same. Three method names are add only, but they are differ in their return data type and they are differentiate using the parameters, number of parameter. Here 0 parameter, here 1 parameter, and here 2 parameters. This particular logic we can call it as method overloading. Okay, so there will be same name of a method but difference in the return type and the number of parameters into it. Okay, here I have done with my same name of the parameters here. Now I am getting into the my main class. As usual in the main class we have to create an object. For every user defined class we should create an object. There is no other go in Java. Then I am going to call add with 0 parameter. Obviously my one of my add method with 0 parameter will be passed, will be called, and another with 1 parameter I am going to just pass 5.5f. So here add method with 1 parameter will be called. Here add parameter with 2 parameter, which will be the 2 parameter it will be called. So obviously I have done it. Then I am going to execute it. Here you see that nothing will be executed here. Why? Because it is successfully returned, but I don't know what is the return value. To know the return value, we have to add system.out.println on the method call. To know our exact status of output, what it is actually returning. SYSOUT, then and then press Control space in your keyboard, automatically it will come. So use more number of shortcuts while you are using the IDE, so only you can save more time to generate the code and finish your project as soon as possible. So I have done it. Then I am going to run this program. Here you see that my output will be first 10. When when I am going to call my method, add with 0 parameter. Why? Because in the 0 parameter add a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 6 in the integer data type. So it is giving 10. Then I am going to just pass one parameter. Here when I am passing only one parameter, obviously what will happen is it is 1.0f. Okay, it will going to call this one as a method, and b value will be 1.0f. So 5.5 plus 1.0 6.5, it is printing. Okay, last I am going to pass 6.7 and 8.9 and two parameters. When I am passing the two parameter, you will see the thing is it is in the double. Okay, so this two parameter matching with the double return type, so it is giving me the result in the double also, not in the float. As you know, the double will be the longest precision type, so it is showing. So this concept we can call it as method overloading in Java using the polymorphism under the polymorphism principles. Okay, I hope you are all understand. Thank you.